Hey Pure Family, welcome to another tutorial for livepure.com. Today I'll be walking you through product pages on the new system. To start, we'll be looking at a single product as a guest coming to livepure.com for the first time. On the product page, you'll see there's a large product image, the SKU, the product name, as well as different product prices for IBO, preferred customer, and retail. And since we are viewing the site as a guest, it'll automatically default to retail pricing first. We've got a short description here and a favorites button that you can use while you're logged in. As a user, you can add products to your favorites and reference that list whenever you're shopping. Down here, we have an add to cart button and an add it to auto ship button that you can use while you're logged in. And we've also got category tags in case you want to view additional products that fall under the same category that Goyen is under. And if you scroll down, you've got the full product description, as well as recommended use and supplement facts. Now I'll show you what it looks like when you are logged in as an IBO. So here we're looking at Core 4, a product pack, and it looks similar. The difference is that once you're logged in, you will see IBO price and PV for that product. If I were logged in as a preferred customer, I'd see preferred pricing. While logged in as an IBO, you have access to all these different share links as well. So you can share on Facebook, Twitter, share through email, Pinterest, LinkedIn, and you can also just click this button and the link to this product will automatically be copied for you. You can open up a new browser window and paste that link using Command V or Control V if you're on Windows, and then it'll automatically load that product page. Another difference on the product pack page is that single SKUs or single products will be listed under products in pack, and then in the description some packs will include a list of all the single SKUs or single products. I hope you found this product page walkthrough helpful, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.